Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to use or how to apply an anchor link on your Microsoft Word document. So again, as defined, anchor link, it's a type of hyperlink in which you are directed on the same document. Okay? Only a portion of the same document. Meaning to say, hindi kayo itatapon sa ibang file. Only on the same file that you are currently using. Now, this is really good, especially if you're creating a research in which you have different chapters, then you want to publish this as a PDF file. So para as tigtingnan, instead of scrolling, kunyari sa chapter 5, you're just gonna simply click it on your table of contents and it will automatically skip the pages there. Okay? Now, so I have an example here of a table of contents ng isang constitution and bylaws ng club namin. So let me adjust it. So as you can see here, this is a 5-page constitution of laws and bylaws in which marami tayong mga text and articles na nakalagay dito. Now, ang gagawin po natin is these articles po, this table of content will serve as our source code. Okay? Yung merong mga hyperlink elements. So instead of you, kunyari ngayon pupunta ka ngayon sa amendments, instead of scrolling and taking a lot of time to scroll, instead of doing this, ang mangyayari is once you click, let's say, amendments, it will automatically skip on that page, or you will be automatically directed there. Now, how do we make this on Microsoft Word? There are two things first na kailangan natin gawin before we can set up this, okay? So first is make sure that you have already established the layout of your document na gagawin. And second is per article, we are going to make this first as a bookmark. Okay, you heard me right. You're going to make this as a bookmark. Now, how do we make this as a bookmark? So, gagawin po natin is you're going here muna sa insert na tab, click this, and kindly locate the bookmark na option. In my case, this one. So what we'll be doing is we're going to highlight the things or the words that needed to be bookmarked. Okay? So highlight natin, i-click po natin yung bookmark option, and we are going to name it. So in my case, to save time, I'm just going to put Art 1. And guys, please do not put a space per name or per word, because what will happen is if I put a space, look at the add button, bigla po siyang madi-disable. Whereas pag one word lang po siya, continuous, ayan po, pwede nyo po siyang ma-save as a bookmark. So let's try article number 1. Then we'll do it here sa number 2, highlight, bookmark, and rename it as 2. Yan. And let's try to skip sa pinaka last part, which is amendments. Yan. So, bookmark, article number 8. Now, as you can see here, wala po nangyari. Basically, ang ginawa lang naman natin, naglagay tayo ng bookmark. Now, what will happen now is we're going to make this as a link na po. Okay? Now, the first thing that you will be doing is you highlight, let's say, article number 1, and then right-click. And as you can see here, makikita po natin yung word na link. Other version of Microsoft Word, mga previous version, you will see there a hyperlink. Instead of link, ang makikita ninyo ay hyperlink depending on the version. Now, in my case, I am using the latest version, so ayan po siya, link. Now, if I click here, meron pong pop-up na lalabas. So, in this case, by default, ganito yung mangyayari. Pero since we are using anchor link, meaning to say, placing the link inside the document, you will simply click this. Ayan. And then, as you can see here, these are the bookmarks that we have made a while ago. So, in my case, I'm just going to link Art 1 sa Art 1, and as you can see, naging color blue na po yung text na nakalagay dyan. Meaning to say, it's already a hyperlink. Next is I'll do the same here sa membership, link, and then Art 2, and sa amendments. Yan. Now, you can modify this. You can put some emphasis like i-bold mo siya, underline, italize, whatever you want. Okay, still it will serve as a link. Now, to test, okay, if I hover my mouse on that source code, pag sinabi nating hover, pag itinapat natin yung mouse doon sa isang word or doon sa isang hyperlink element, meron pong lalabas na parang instruction, malait na box. So meaning to say, if I click it, sabi control click to follow link, I'm pressing now the control. As you can see, the cursor changed po into from this icon, naging parang kamay na po siya. Parang may ipipress ba. So pag click natin to, automatically, I will be directed on the article number 1. Okay? Now, let's see the color of it. So naging purple na siya. Hindi na siya blue. Meaning to say, pag katulad baga sa website, once we open or access it, it will be now parang recolored as violet or purple. Meaning to say, na-open na natin yan. Okay? Let's try now sa membership. So, ayan po. Nag-skip na ako sa Article 1. Diba? Now, let's try the last one. Article 8. Amendments. So, yun po. I skip 3 pages, 'di ba? So imagine how it will really save you a lot of time, 'di ba? So yun po. Now, this is just a simple tutorial for your link, okay, sa Anchor link. So thank you for listening.